Hey everyone, I'll be showing you why 2024 is the perfect time to master AI, artificial intelligence. In the dynamic landscape of the year 2024, the term artificial intelligence or AI has transcended the realm of mere buzzwords, emerging as a transformative force that not only dictates the trajectory of technological advancements but also serves as a pivotal determinant in shaping individual careers and influencing the global landscape. Today, we embark on an exploration of AI, delving into the reasons why it has evolved from a trend to an indispensable skill, weaving its influence through diverse sectors, and establishing itself as a crucial element for those who aspire to thrive in the future. AI is no longer confined to the realms of science fiction or abstract theoretical discussions. Instead, it has become a tangible and pervasive reality, permeating our daily lives in ways that are often imperceptible yet profound. From voice assistants enhancing our productivity, predictive algorithms powering personalized recommendations, the blueprint of AI is ubiquitous. As we navigate through the intricacies of the digital age, understanding AI is not merely a matter of staying abreast of current trends. It is a strategic imperative for those who seek to remain relevant and competitive in an ever evolving job market. The impact of AI on industries. Embracing the power of AI goes beyond merely recognizing it as a buzzword. It signifies acknowledging its transformative impact across a spectrum of industries. Take the realm of healthcare, for instance, where AI is ushering in a new era by reshaping the landscape of diagnostics and treatment plans. In the financial sector, AI plays a pivotal role in elevating risk management and predictive analytics, while the manufacturing industry experiences an automation renaissance. Even in the world of entertainment, AI is becoming a creative force tailoring experiences to individual preferences. Acquiring proficiency in AI isn't just about learning a skill. It opens the gateway to becoming a driving force at the forefront of these groundbreaking advancements, positioning individuals as invaluable assets adaptable to virtually any industry. As we witness the pervasive influence of AI, it becomes clear that mastering this technology is not merely a personal achievement, but a strategic move toward becoming an essential player in today's dynamic professional landscape. Whether you are contributing to cutting-edge medical breakthroughs, optimizing financial strategies, or shaping the future of automated manufacturing, the versatility of AI expertise is unmatched. Learning AI isn't just about staying relevant. It is about actively participating in the ongoing revolution that is shaping the way industries operate. To dive into the world of AI, it is not just a skill set. It is a transformative journey that positions you as a key player in the ongoing evolution of diverse sectors, making your contributions indispensable in the rapidly changing global landscape. Now that we have explored the impact, let us delve into the myriad career opportunities that AI unfurls. Career opportunities. Envision a future where the demand for AI professionals soars, companies actively scout for individuals with AI proficiency, and a myriad of high-paying, fulfilling career paths materialize. This vision is not a distant dream but a palpable reality in today's professional landscape. Whether you are a seasoned developer, a meticulous data scientist, or a strategic business professional, AI knowledge is not just a professional edge, it serves as the master key unlocking a world of career possibilities across diverse industries. In navigating the intricate tapestry of the contemporary job market, it is clear that AI proficiency is not merely an asset but a requisite for shaping a successful career trajectory. The surging demand for AI professionals underscores the transformative impact this technology is wielding across sectors. From healthcare and finance to manufacturing and beyond, being well versed in AI is no longer an optional skill. It is an imperative for staying competitive and relevant in a job market increasingly defined by the need for AI literacy. To thrive in this era of technological acceleration, it is crucial not to be left behind. Equipping oneself with AI skills goes beyond technical acumen. It involves strategic foresights to apply AI solutions to real-world challenges. As you embark on this journey of acquiring AI knowledge, you position yourself at the nexus of innovation, where your expertise becomes a catalyst for organizational success and individual fulfillment. This is the moment. Acquire the in-demand skills and confidently step into a dynamic job market where the fusion of human ingenuity with artificial intelligence propels you into the vanguard of the technological revolution, unlocking not only career possibilities but also contributing to the broader landscape of innovation and progress. Moving beyond the professional realm, let us explore how AI is seamlessly integrating into our daily lives. AI in everyday life. Let us take a moment to envisage the future. Imagine smart homes seamlessly anticipating our needs, virtual assistants intuitively responding to our commands, and personalized recommendations tailoring our digital experiences to perfection. Artificial intelligence or AI isn't just a technological marvel. It is fast becoming an integral and omnipresent part of our everyday lives, fundamentally transforming the way we interact with the world. Its presence is felt in the subtle nuances of convenience and efficiency, leaving an indelible mark on the fabric of our existence. By delving into the intricacies of AI, you not only ensure your relevance in the ever-evolving job market, but also cultivate a profound understanding of the very technology that shapes the world around you. AI is not merely a tool, it is a force of innovation that permeates various facets of our existence. Whether it is the adaptive ambience of our homes responding to our preferences or the tailored content recommendations that guide our digital journeys, AI is enhancing our lives in ways both subtle and profound. In this era of rapid technological advancements, staying informed about AI isn't just a choice, it is a strategic imperative. As the lines between human life and artificial intelligence blur, those with insights into AI stand at the forefront of paradigm shift. Embrace the transformative potential of AI, and you will find yourself not just adapting to the future, but actively shaping it. So buckle up for a journey where technology seamlessly integrates with daily life, making the extraordinary feel ordinary and the ordinary feel extraordinary, all thanks to the marvels of artificial intelligence. But before we move on, if you're excited about keeping up with the latest in artificial intelligence and staying in the know about recent trends and advancements, it is essential to hit that subscribe button on our channel. You will discover a wealth of content focused on AI updates and detailed tutorials delving to the complex realm of technology. Now, let us venture into the realm of AI's problem-solving capabilities, addressing some of the most complex challenges humanity faces. Solving complex problems. Envision a future where diseases are not just treated but predicted and prevented, where supply chains operate with unparalleled precision, and global challenges such as climate change are confronted head-on. This isn't a scene from a science fiction novel. It represents the transformative potential of AI in addressing complex problems on a global scale. Learning the intricacies of AI isn't merely about gaining a professional edge. It is about equipping yourself to contribute meaningfully to solutions that extend far beyond the confines of any one industry, fostering a tangible impact on some of the world's most pressing issues. Learning AI isn't just a professional pursuit. It is a profound opportunity to become an agent of transformative change. In a world constantly grappling with the complexities of healthcare, logistics, and environmental sustainability, understanding the capabilities of AI becomes a tool for empowerment. It positions you as a conscientious contributor, ready to leverage technological advancements for the betterment of humanity. As you delve into the intricacies of AI, you equip yourself not only with technical skills, but also with a holistic perspective that allows you to envision innovative solutions to multifaceted challenges. The power to effect positive change lies within the grasp of those who understand and harness the capabilities of artificial intelligence. It is a journey that transcends individuals' aspiration and extends into the realm of collective progress. Your foray into AI is not merely about acquiring knowledge. It is about adopting a mindset of responsibility and innovation. With each step, you become an integral part of a community of forward thinkers, united in their pursuit of leveraging AI as a force for good. As we navigate this exploration, it is crucial to recognize the dynamic nature of the AI field. Continuous learning and adaptability. In the dynamic landscape of our fast-paced world, adaptability has transcended the realm of mere skill to become a strategic survival imperative. At the heart of this transformative era stands artificial intelligence, a field characterized not by static concepts, but by perpetual motion, ceaseless evolution, and an ever-unfolding tapestry of challenges and opportunities. The process of learning AI extends beyond the acquisition of specific knowledge. It is an ongoing journey that instills a mindset of continuous learning, positioning individuals to not only stay ahead of the curve, but also to thrive in an environment where change is the only constant. Understanding AI isn't just a means of keeping pace with technological advancements, it's about cultivating a versatile skill set that transcends the boundaries of the AI domain. As you embark on the journey of learning AI, you are not merely acquiring knowledge, you are nurturing adaptability as a core competency. This adaptability, honed through the ever-evolving intricacies of AI, transforms you into a resourceful professional poised to confront and conquer the challenges of any future endeavor. The significance of embracing the ever-changing AI landscapes extends beyond personal and professional growth. It propels you into a realm where innovation knows no bounds. Armed with a mindset that welcomes the continuous evolution of AI, you not only position yourself as an agile contributor to technological advancements, but also as a trailblazer ready to shape the future. So let the dynamic nature of AI inspire you. Equip yourself with its knowledge and step boldly into a future where adaptability becomes the cornerstone of success, and the possibilities for innovation are boundless. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the vast landscape of AI, from its impact on industries to the exciting career opportunities it unfolds and its seamless integrations into our daily lives. How about you? Why do you think it is now the perfect time to master AI? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in tech and creativity. As we conclude today's exploration, remember, AI isn't just a technological evolution. It is a journey of continuous learning, adaptability, and endless possibilities. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Keep creating, stay inspired, and I will catch you in the next video. Until then, take care.